Welcome back, I'm Larry. So today we're going to be working on that 2014 Ford Mustang. So let's go and jump into it, take a look at what we got. Okay, so today we're going to be working on this Mustang like I said. And if we walk up to it, you see we have this worn out, unsightly antenna that is cracked and falling apart like they generally do over time. This is an original piece. It's never been replaced on this car, at least that I know of. And it's time to replace this. So we're going to update this for my mom. She picked out an antenna that she saw in a book, and so we're going to install that and see how it looks. Okay, so this is what we have here. This is from American Muscle. I think that's the company name. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got it. It's an MMD brand. There is the numbers on it. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description of where I got this one. So this is what it looks like. It's one of those stubby short antennas. It's got like a rubberized coating. When I first seen it, I thought it was plastic, but it's actually got a little bit of a give to it. It's actually rubber coated, which is pretty cool. Has a nice feel to it, good quality. So it should be a good unit, a good replacement for this, and make it look a little bit sporty because now it'll be much shorter. So when it comes to removing these, they simply just unscrew. But I've noticed on this one that the actual piece inside that screws to the base is not turning. It's just the casing that's turning on the, I guess the housing you would call it. The housing's turning on the stem. So we're gonna have to get this off. And for that, I'm just gonna use a pair of pliers because it really don't matter if I damage this one anymore. It's already damaged, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna grab it and then simply just unscrew it like that. And you see, it comes right off. You got your threads, and the threads look the exact same, so shouldn't be a problem. So now with that one off, I'm gonna take a rag and wipe off this dirt from buildup over the time. Now, we can simply just install the new antenna. And the cool thing about this rubberized coating is that it had like a little bit of a silver shine, but as you screw it down, it's kind of like the rubber kind of flares out, makes a good tight seal to the base, and covers up that silver part. Now, you don't want to over tighten this, but I'm gonna tighten up good and snug. Right about there, and that should do it. Yeah, that looks good. All right, now we can stand back and take a look at it, and that is pretty neat looking. It's don't really stand out as much and kind of looks sporty now with the rest of the car, especially with this fastback look to it and spoiler. So. You see, you can see kind of like how the rubber kind of like flared out at the bottom to make a nice tight seal to the base. Yeah, that looks nice. And like I said, it does have some give to it. So if you accidentally were to like bump it or something, like when you're washing the car and you accidentally hit it or something, it's not gonna break. It's got give to it. So that's good. Yeah, that looks good. Car's dirty right now. We're in pollen season, but the car, that looks good. That looks so much better than that old worn out piece of junk right there. So very nice. I think my mom's gonna be very pleased with that. That's all there is for this video. My mom ended up loving it, so it turned out great, and I think it looks a lot better. So that's all there is for this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. You can now become a member. Link is in the description, as well as the part for this. And I did forget to mention you can buy a replacement, stock replacement as well, and changing it out is obviously the same process. But this one looks a lot better in my opinion. So, but that's all there for this one. So next time, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.